Hello, Amir back with the DIY home improvement and today's video is all about an accent wall and a geometric wall that everybody is looking for to have a one wall get design in their bedroom, and that's pretty common. So I would say that please stay with us from start to end, watch the video so we know that what we're doing, and this way we don't want to skip any step that may give us a difficulty to finish the walls. The wall today we are going to do this is something like this. So that's the design that we did, and it's pretty much gonna be same, but everyone has own idea. So first of all, any wall to be designed to be painted must draw on the paper. So this way we don't want to do a mess up and we not delay it, and we're gonna finish it fast if we have designed walls. So let's start it. So the first thing we need one tray, one roller. So we need another tray, another roller, and we need another tray, another roller. So paint color number 1, paint color number 2, paint color number 3, brush number 1, brush number 2, brush number 3, masking tape 1, chalk line 1, and 1 putty knife. At one point, I'll take my chalk line all over here and place it. I'll keep going. And that's my first point. Right here. Make it a little bit tight. Chalk line. 1, 2, 3. Done. Go. So that's our first line. Here you go. So now the chalk line is done, and now we got a tape and a putty knife. So when we do a taping, we just want to make sure that once my whole taping done, I'm gonna tie it with the putty knife so my paint won't go from the bottom of the tape. So let's start it. All right, so once the taping is done, very important, make sure that the corners are very tight, otherwise paint gonna bleed through. So all because we've got 3 colors, so I will just put the kind of mark there that which area we need which color. So I'm gonna put the mark for each color to just identify, so when we're painting we don't want to mess up. So what I did, I identify each triangle. Like let's say this is a gray and this is a white, and I put a W, and this is a gray, I put a G, and this is gray, I put a G, and this is a B, I'm a black. So let's start doing painting now. Let's start pouring the paint. Okay, so when we do it, we just float it. We don't want to dip it in. Float it like that until our roller soaks nicely. And let's throw on the wall. Put it very nicely. Yeah, keep going up. Yeah. Just in the middle, yeah. So this is very important. Now we're gonna do the trimming, the cutting on the ceiling. we got to be very careful. Take a very little paint and do slowly. Coat is done, but now is the time to take off the tapes. Okay. When we take the tape off, we still have to do some touch-up, so that's why we kept some brush there. Finally, we have to do some touch-up to get the proper lines, because sometimes the paint bleeds through and under the tape. So let's start the taking off the tape. So this is how we do our accent wall, yeah, definitely a little bit touch up left. We can do a touch up, and we try our best to make it as perfect as possible. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe us or push the bell icon, and thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.